Hi all. Let's look today how to split a particular column in case of Power Query. Let's say I have this particular data set over here and I want to split this column. I don't need the other column. So first of all, what I'll do is just right click, remove other columns. Now I'm only left with the origin column. Now in transform, there's something known as split column. I'll do a split by, let's say, delimiter. Delimiter over here is space, and I can have it each occurrence leftmost or rightmost. If I click on OK, what it does is it splits the elements. European Union is split it, Saharan Africa, Australia, and Oceania, Middle East, and North Africa. So it's split it like this. If I want to go back, I can just go to apply steps. And now let's try another way, wherein if I go for column from examples, from selection, suppose if I write only European, so it understands that text before delimiter is being. If I click on open, I get another column wherein only text before delimiter is there. Same way, if I do the selection again, column from examples, from selection, write only union, and after that, I write and. So the second element, text between delimiters is being right. Same way, I select this again, column from examples, from selection. If I put in union, is fine. Then now here, text which is after the delimiter at the end is being brought in. This way, specifically, I can have text before delimiter, text between, and text after using the functionalities that are there in case of Power Queries in particular. Right? So I hope this has been helpful, and thanks for your time.